operates across multiple domains and customer needs, which makes our organization inherently complex. Our purpose is to create sustainable value for customers and communities. We are over 200 years old. We serve millions. We operate across Europe, and our workforce is quite huge, which makes that even small improvements can have a huge impact. Here you can see the breadth of Achmea's portfolio, why this naturally creates complexity across propositions, channels, and customer expectations. Here we see the complexity more tangible. We have multiple customer groups, different brands, as I mentioned before, different media approaches, product ranges, distribution channels, and shared services. Without alignment, that naturally creates fragmentation, different answers, different processes, different tooling, and inconsistency lurks for customer outcomes. AI is never a standalone technology choice, but it's interwoven through all these layers of complexity. And it depends on strong foundations and good governance. If the underlying knowledge and content aren't trustworthy, AI will only amplify the inconsistency and risk. All this led us to the start of a company-wide program to really implement this across all these layers of complexity. This is a program called Elevation. It's founded on the principle that Gen I is the catalyst for change, but only if you scale it responsibly and consistently. We focus on smarter decision-making, fewer repetitive tasks, and more effective processes, and harmonized ways of working, and greater agility. With our current knowledge product becoming end of life and not being able to fulfill these quite ambitious requirements, Fanuel is now going to tell you a bit more how that is where eGain came around the corner.
And during our RFI and RFP phase, we discovered that eGain was an open architecture, has the size of reason for us to select it, because the openness and built around the standard APIs that eGain has, and also the flexible connectors that the connector layer that there is from eGain, will help us for the future and the changes that we need, which our current platform doesn't provide. It let us plug in eGain into our internal systems without creating many point-to-point integrations and have it at the center of the knowledge that we provide. Before we went with eGain, we had some decisions and goals what we want to have in the future, what the platform needs to provide. So it has to be future ready. We are building towards having the agent and employee the information they need in the shortest amount of time, with the help of an agent assist and an integrated desktop solution. To get there, we'll implement a future-proof setup. For the second goal, we wanted to have our IT delivery autonomous. Our approach is to standardize the knowledge management service. For the third goal, we have 6 knowledge bases in our current situation. And we want to have a quick and execution of the 3 ways to implement them within eGain. Together, these goals create a scalable, low-disruption migration that readies our people and the platform itself for the AI-driven capabilities in the future and long-term consolidations. So over the past 5 months, we started in December with the migration. We have prepared a future-proof knowledge setup and a taxonomy to support the upcoming integration and the phase migration of our current environment. By the end of the program, we will have a scalable, integrated knowledge environment that supports our support agents, employees, and external partners across Achmea channels. That is the starting point of the fun stuff that we want to do, because eGain offers a lot more than just knowledge management, of course, we all know that. We won't stop there. After completing the migration, our focus shifts immediately in unlocking the capabilities of the eGain platform. We'll continue development on the instant answers and the AI agents, combined with target enhancements so agents get automated, reliable answers right away. But through close collaboration and the expertise we brought together, we developed a renewed, scalable approach to a generic knowledge design and architecture that is built to last and adapt as we grow. This collaboration is the foundation for lifting our knowledge management to the next level. And we intend to do so for the future enhancements.